everyone. So me and my daughter switched tables. I had like a computer desk that I bought as a vanity with the hutch, and my daughter had a big artist table and she wanted a smaller table and I needed a bigger table, and now I'm having trouble getting the camera just right. So I'm not as close as to the camera. I think I need to lower it a little bit, but anyway, here goes. Finally got my collection, and oh my goodness, I took a quick video. I was not able to edit my video till Saturday, even though I did it like Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday, and I finally got it by the time I finished editing that video. So I got it. The shadows and stuff, when I got scared because there was no shadows, and they said they had dislodged and they were hiding underneath the bag. But I got it, and the first impression that I had when I opened it was the smell. It smells so good. Now some women are complaining that it's overpowering, but I couldn't even tell you, like candy. That's all I could tell you. It smells very sweet. So anyway, so here goes the first time using my camera in a different type of position. These are super cute. I didn't even open anything. Oh my goodness. I was so exhausted and stressed out. I had to go take a blood clot test on Friday. I had to make 2 stops on the way. Had to pick up some records, and I had to drop something off at my brother's house. So Saturday I was so stressed out, just waiting for this package, editing my video. So by the way, I ran out of my meds. Still waiting for the doctor to call them in. Whew. So this is the brush. It's got the dome, and then it's got a more flat, and it's got the little glitters, pink. It looks like it's pink, iridescent, black. I'm not sure if there's other colors, but there's like almost like a white iridescent, and then it's got like a pink iridescent. It's got black, and there's a little piece of glue stuck there, so it's like bothering me. So anyway, I decided to go with mymelody, even though my Kuromi's colors attract me more. I just wanted to go with this first. And since the main color for mymelody seems to be pink, like the liquid lipstick, I decided to go with my Idolize in pink from Wet n Wild on my lids. And so the first color that I'm going to use is this pretty pink color on my lid. I bought this a long time ago. I cleaned it and it's already dirty, and I tried using that because I don't think that my doctor's in every day, and my hand is hurting again. I find that I can't really see unless I'm like into it. So for every day, it's okay. But for my video, I'm just gonna go ahead and hold this. Okay. I'm pressing that into there you go, onto the lid. And I'm gonna go a little bit into my crease color. Then I'm gonna go into that next pink color, which is right here. I'm gonna put that in the crease area, contour area. Yesterday I know I called in for meds on Thursday, but I noticed that my doctor isn't there every day, I don't think, and I never got the refill done. By the way, no blood clots, thank God. But those refills have not been called in yet, and I noticed over the weekend I thought I had more and I didn't, and so I saved 2 pills for yesterday. So I took less pills over the weekend so that I could have the 2 pills for yesterday so I could do my hair. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go into this purple color. Right, where is it? Right here. For the deep crease. Because those colors look almost the same. That's pretty. It's pretty purple color. And I'm gonna use the white for the brow bone highlight. They all have names, but since I don't have my glasses on, I can't see nothing. It's pretty good that white. I thought you wasn't gonna be able to see it, but dang it, I'm sorry if I'm off camera, if I'm out of frame. That's why I tried to lower, because I have a tendency to lean forward. I'm so sorry. Okay. And now I'm going to take the other side of the brush, and I'm going to dip it in that pretty color right there. It's a very shimmery color. And now I'm just going to pat it onto the pink, so I could get a nice shimmer out of that. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna use this nice frosty beige right here. Let me tell you, yesterday I saved pills. I was only supposed to take 1 every 3 hours. I decided to take 2 so that I could do my hair without any pain, but ran out of pills and I'm in pain right now. Oh my Lord. So anyway, I'm putting this in the inner corner highlight, as they call it. Let me go. And of course I'm gonna clean up and finish my makeup. But anyway, so after I got my package, I just wanted to finish doing my videos, editing the videos, and it was like I crashed from all the stress and the anxiety of waiting for this package. I crashed, and Sunday I did absolutely nothing. I figure I'll rest, so I figure I'll just rest, and I haven't even opened these up. So yesterday I was doing my hair, and yeah, so doing my video today while my hair is nice and fresh. So I'm gonna go into the top colors, because the top colors are the lighter colors, so you know that's my melody. You know, I'll probably have to clean this up, but just wanted to show you it. Ooh, wow, that is intense. Let me just blend that out. Now I'm taking the other side for the highlight. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a pink gold. Just put that there. It's got like a pink undertone to it. I notice it's coming off gold, but... And this doesn't matter, because when I clean my eyes, it's probably going to come off, so I have to do it again. I just wanted you to see, you know, how it looks when you put it on. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be back to do the lips. So everyone, so I did everything but the lipstick. I did do pink lip liner. This is their pink lipstick. Dang it. I'm gonna have to fix that, dang it. Dang it. A big chunk of it came out. Oh, this is a matte liquid lipstick. Alright, and then on top of it I'm gonna put the shimmer gloss. It kinda looks like a rose gold. That's pretty. So that's the finished look. This is my hair. Primary colors. This is the forest. It looked just as bluish as the emerald green, but as it dried it did look more green than teal, but it still kind of looks teal to me. But to be fair, I put a lot of blue and I think it might have went on there. But anyway, this is still better than the emerald green. It's still more green, and I'm almost finished with the yellow. Yellow's almost finished because I used it last time to mix with the emerald green. But because I'm only doing my hair in sections, I still have, probably could do my hair at least 2 more times with it. But definitely next time I'm thinking about mixing it with conditioner. You know, just go get a cheap bottle of conditioner to mix it with and just put it in your hair. But yeah, I definitely like this green better than the other green. So yeah,